Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling overdub in Descript and confirming you have permission to create a voice. Once you open your project, go to Account Overdub and request access if needed. This is required because Descript ties voice creation to account verification. Prepare at least 10 minutes of clean, single-speaker audio, or record the provided Descript training script in a quiet room using a consistent microphone. This ensures the model learns your timbre and phrasing accurately before you proceed. Now you create the overdub voice. Import or record the training audio into a new composition, then select that track and choose Create Overdub from the track menu. Make sure you trim noisy sections and remove long silences so the system learns clean patterns. Segmentation matters for natural phrasing. After you submit, give the voice a concise name and wait for the training process to finish. This can take time, so plan edits while the model builds to save later proofreading work. Finally, you replace or generate audio with your overdub voice. Select the transcript text or a clip, pick the new overdub voice from the voice menu, then click Generate. Once done, play back the result and edit the transcript to tweak pacing, punctuation, or word choice. Those edits directly affect the generated delivery. If you hear artifacts or unnatural stress, re-record cleaner training samples and retrain the voice, or contact Descript support. Retraining with better audio usually fixes most quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.